is not a test. This is your emergency broadcast system. In the commencement of the annual purge, sanctioned by the U.S. government. Purge concludes. Fire and emergency medical services will be unavailable until tomorrow morning at 7 a.m. 7 a.m. when the purge concludes.
Let's not make it complicated.
And welcome back to my channel. Today we have this first purge makeup tutorial. I have been seeing this demon skeleton all over the internet at all these purge promos, insert photos, pew 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 pew, and I really thought this was an awesome look. However, these horns right here, they were supposed to be curly. I couldn't do the curly for some reason. It wasn't working on me, so I prepped these up before the video. All they are, they're just toilet paper cones. I cut them in half and just combed them up and put them on with latex, and you'll be seeing that in the video real shortly. And thank you so much for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe. And if it's melting, it's because it's really hot. And don't forget to use my coupon code FX. Got that intotheam.com to get 10% off your purchase. And shout out to my 121 subscribers. I never thought I was gonna make it even to 100. Back when I was like starting, I was like, okay, my looks are kind of too plain, but it's having fun, doing something simple, and I feel like I'm bringing something new to the table. This intro is getting real long. I love you all, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Little Devils Pastries, coupon code FX, intotheam.com. And if you have a look, make sure to comment down below, and I will make sure to make time to do your makeup tutorial, either when I'm on vacation, when I come back, who knows? I got a few surprises up my sleeves. Bye-bye. And don't forget, you gotta purge. First, we are gonna start off by sketching out where I want to draw out all of my face figures and the horn holes. Once I completed this, I then proceeded to do my drag queen eyebrow routine. You guys know it's the basic for when you do a tutorial with liquid latex and cotton, or whatever you're gonna use. After that, I began by just powdering my eyebrows, and I began building on my face using cotton balls and cotton rounds. Depending what portion, depends where goes what. Make sure you soak your cotton very well in liquid latex. I do recommend a really good soak because some parts of my face were a little bit thicker than the others. And make sure to spread it out with the spatula. So my camera broke out a little, but what I did was I applied my horns using some liquid latex. I first put tape on them, then I dipped the little round in liquid latex, and then I got a little bit of cotton. I just rounded it out around it, and I just dried it with the blow dryer. So then I continue sketching on my face, looking at the mask as my base. Remember, this look is just inspired by that look. It's kind of similar. And then as you guys see, I tried building up some proportion onto my horns with toilet paper, but that just looked terrible. So I just continued using the same routine as we just did in the following section. Once I finished this, I then began to dry this with using my hair dryer. Now I am going to black out my eyes and my nose hole using black, and then I'm going to fill in my cracks using just gray face paint, and then around it we're going to apply some red. Remember, try to avoid looking like a scary Pikachu. We're not going for a Pikachu vibe, we're going for a kind of demon devil look. Once we are done using our silver to give our accents, we are then going to proceed to draw the skeleton. I wanted this layer to be thick, so I just got my white face paint and I just powdered it on top, and I began drawing in the details using black. Once I completed this, I then proceeded to add some fake blood to the horns and a little bit over the face. I just tried to resemble the mask as much as I could. And yes, my cheekbones still look a little bit chunkier. You could reduce them down by applying less cotton and latex. It's really up to you. And yes, that is my sister popping up because she'd just be making fun of me while I record. Like this, we achieved this amazing look, perfect for raves, Halloween parties, anything in general. Thank you so much for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe to my channel. Make sure to look at all the other videos I have in my channel and support. Bye guys!